Something big is about to start. It's a Tucano replica. Zenith aircraft. Very close to the ground. This looks like a Zenith. And we have a P-51.
We're thrilled to have you here with us. Flying Big Red.
UL Power. Velocity aircraft. Has a canard.
Maybe not.
And those are the UL engines. Hello. So you have club sitting in the back. The two seats are facing backwards. The two in the rear are facing forwards. Let's take a closer look here at the UL engines.
Complete, including fuel filters, oil coolers, everything. That's fuel pump about 54,000.
Twin turbo. About $54,000 for that engine. The 6-cylinder. For various types of aircraft. Hello. So this is the engine that's installed in there?
That is correct, yes.
Is this a flying test bed right here?
No, it's a finished customer plane.
And it has flown already?
It's flown here from Florida. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
No, you're fine. Well, the wind gets its way now.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
No, you're not.
So I have a question. I don't know if you are the right person to talk to.
I'm your power, but
Okay, I was just going to ask about the speeds and what you see for fuel burn.
that question.
Don't worry, I'll ask one of them.
I have to see because the owner should be here. Maybe.
Okay.
I don't see him, but ask one of the guys in the booth there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that helped quite a bit, but you know, if you get it too low, all right, it won't fire off at this slow, and it's like I was climbing, I just hit it, and they'll be like, oh, start climbing.
Right, we can't find the owner, so we'll just move on. Hello.
Hi.
I don't know, is this a prototype or a finished aircraft?
This is a finished aircraft.
Okay. I don't know, about how long did it take to build this one? And was it a fast build kit or?
I don't know. I didn't build this.
Okay.
But I think it did start as a fast build.
As a fast build kit, okay. Do you have any idea what they see like for fuel burn, for normal cruise and speeds?
This has got a 580 cubic inch light only 335 horsepower. It's probably going to run about 16 gallons an hour.
Okay.
Cruise.
Okay. And you're seeing at what speeds at that burn rate?
It'll be almost 200 knots.
Wow, that's slick. Okay, and this one is a single engine. That's a twin. Okay, that should be pretty fast. More faster than this, right? Really? Just better climb rate?
It's a lot bigger airplane than this. And neither one of these is our fastest airplane.
Okay, which one is the fastest? If you don't
Well, it
mind?
would be this with a Continental TSIO 550 engine. It's excess of 250 knots.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
No.
And in here they have workshops. You have the fabric covering going on over there. Hello. And here you have a Christian Eagle too. It's under construction. Yeah, I think fast build is the way to go, guys. If ever you have to do this. And here we have Viking engines. Yeah, I think these are the guys who use the Honda automobile engines. Honda, as you guys know, they make very reliable engines, so I would totally go with these guys. And then the only thing that they really add, well, they beef up everything. I think they do second spark plug. And then here you have the power PSRU, propeller speed reduction unit. And that used to be a problematic area. I think they must have resolved that to make it more robust and able to handle the forces from the propeller. 1, 2, 3, 4 spark plugs. Let's see this.
We also offer
There's another type.
busy man, like a constant speed. And it's about, so what you would do is on that
It's a
last
smaller
page,
engine.
this kind of shows you what it would cost all in, you know,
And here they have a much larger unit with a turbo. Still a Honda engine. And don't be fooled that it's an automobile engine, but they actually do some more engineering on this because they get the blocks and then they do the build out to make it robust for aviation use. And here you have a, this looks like a Zenith fitted with a Honda engine. $750 Super. Okay, let's continue this one. And over there is the air cam, which is very popular in Africa. They use it for observation of wildlife, wildfires, search and rescue, many other types of uses. Air ambulance. We have some Canadian aircraft like this one right here. The distances here are great, so if you can afford it, it's good to just rent those scooters. Help you moving around. These things are fast.
Miss Carrie and all of her team, and they want to give you money. 30 grand, you heard me say it. All right, again, changing the pace a little bit.
Glass
From
air.
the world of biplanes to the world of warbird trainers. And we'll turn it over to the real Rob.
There's Adventure.
It's such an honor to be here, ladies and gentlemen. We want to thank
This one is so short, and it has retractable gear.
Dyer and Pratt & Whitney. Today, as we celebrate Women Venture all throughout the EAA campus, we're getting ready to turn the airspace over. Direct your attention high and to the right. These are the Trojan Flyers Formation T-28 team out of Texas, my home state. They're proud to be performing for you today at EA's AirVenture 2023, their home field, Midway Regional Airport, located south of Dallas, Texas. And with their signature opening maneuver, pilots performing for you today, Chip Lamb in the lead aircraft, and Robert Johnson. Chip and Robert will be demonstrating the excellent performance and maneuverability of the North
This one has a turbine engine.
Trojan.
cinema production camera. It's like a red camera. Wow, this looks brand new.
You want to think a cheesecake for Neil?
Oh, for Neil?
Yeah.
Oh, Neil.
He's 6'4".
Excuse me?
Yes.
Is this a brand new aircraft?
Oh, well, it's World War II. Brand new, but just restored.
Okay, restored, okay.
Yes.
So I think it just has new skin, so you guys can see. Even the engine looks brand new. And they're hiring in case you need a job.
Just be super careful in it. There's one of them in the world. And it's right there. Yeah, I know. I was just
It's unbelievable. It looks like it just came out of the factory this morning, not even yesterday. Super clean, brand new. Oh, and this is based out of North Dakota. Yes, I'll have to stop there sometime and check it out. They got the MD helicopter. Is it the MD or the Hughes? One down there. Let's pay the visit. Oh yeah, they have a bunch of helicopters here today. First off, you have the Cessna. Twin engine. Pusher, puller configuration. One in the front, one in the rear. Got a couple of helicopters. This is an Enstrom. It's powered by Lycoming engine. So when this one starts up, it starts like a regular gas aircraft. It sounds funny until you have the blade start spinning and the tail rotor start spinning. Then you get the characteristic helicopter sound. It could also be a Schweitzer, I'm not sure. It's a Hughes TH55. You guys can see the belts that drive the tail rotor right there. So that long shaft going towards the back, that's what drives the tail rotor. And helicopters have so much maintenance, that's why they're so expensive to use, and just because of the sheer number of moving parts that you have to check. Every little point there you check for play. So it's a lot of work keeping one of these things flying. But just imagine how much more lighter this is going to be in case you just had one electric motor in the back, one electric motor for the main mast, and that's it. Same thing happened with cars. When Tesla came around, there was no competition anymore, at least in certain applications. 1966 TH55. Looks like another Hughes. 65 Howard Hughes was still alive. And here's a Bell seal H13, and you can see for that tail rotor all of those points where the shaft is supported, they all take a little bit of power, and then you see they also have to be greased at regular intervals. So keeping these birds flying is not an easy thing. You have a gearbox that sends some of the power to the main rotor and then some to the tail. That's a critical component. And here you have the big bird, the Huey.
I like the little windshield wipers.
See the Bell 412. Forgotten the designation. UH1, that's the type designation.
An old friend of ours, he flew Vietnam. He flew
Ordnance.
back in those days.
That would be the seat of the gunner.
One of the, he was an interesting person. Your cameras. This is the. You don't. Oh, that's fine.
And I think this is what would evolve to become the 406 or the 206, which is the most produced helicopter. When you talk of a helicopter, this is what everybody envisions it to be. Pilot sits on the right, co-pilot on the left. Of the collective side. And the startup procedure on this is quite elaborate, but with modern technology they are making it much simpler. Also, you can tell the space in here is very restricted, it's tight. So I guess back in 1965 maybe people were made a bit smaller, but nobody would make a helicopter this small this day and age. They'll try to make it a little bit wider, more comfortable, create some more room for things that we have now on our persons that they didn't have in the 60s, like telephones, cell phones. So it's a Bell 206-1. The military designations OH58A Kiowa. Twin blade, giving that characteristic sound, pop 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 pop, just like the UH1. Okay, yeah, you have another UH1 Huey from 1967. It's just amazing that these things are still flying, but the cost of buying a helicopter brand new today, it's really prohibitive. That's why people keep these things flying.
Yeah, so nowadays most people use quaternions, you know, for the math. In the old days, Euler angles was what everybody would use for coordinate transforms. And you could break
This is a much earlier helicopter.
lights in. If you take the airplane perfectly straight up and then you bring it to a stop.
It resembles the one that guy in Europe crashed on the street.
Euler angles become indeterminate. It's like gimbal on, you know, and it would just like shred the software.
We pass behind the guy filming. Make a whistling sound. think this is from Russia. Look at the sheer number of gauges. Yeah, these are the MI2s from Russia.
That's why Congress is like, this one. Oh, okay, so this is two. No big deal. I saw it.
Should we go look at some of those more planes, or you want to go look?
See that? They're dropping bombs. Where we can see that. Okay folks, we'll take a break here. I'll be right back.